Hello guys. So we are learning the direct locator access in Playwright. So instead of going with export as well as CSS selector, I am using direct or locator accesses. So like examples, no, get by text, get by role, get by title, get by label. So we have seen few of them. Now we will say get by title. Okay, create one test here. New file. Get by title. Get by title dot spec dot goes. So I'm copying this only. It's a better example. So already I have created a script, only I'm explaining the methods. So you can watch my previous videos, the complete text, this complete text I have written. You can watch my previous sessions and see here the thing is now. So this is the login script, right? Now go here. What I did now, I launched the URL. I launched the URL here by using placeholder locator. I identify the username and the password. I fill the data, username and password. And by using getByRole button, I clicked on the button. Once button is clicked, so it will log into the application. Okay, admin 123. I'm clicking on the button. It logged into the application. Once the application is launched, we need to confirm that user login is successful or not. That's why I'm going with page in the dashboard. No, in the home page after login, home page. Get by text and dashboard is visible or not. It is visible. I'm telling them this is a dashboard I picked and I'm validating here. So user login is successful here. No, okay. User login is successful. User login is successful. Is successful. This still here. This is my old script. Okay. Now we are direct locate access in Playwright. Right? We have seen get by text, get by role, get by label at 2C, and here we have seen get by placeholder also. Okay. Placeholder. Now we will see get by title. Hmm. Get by title. How we have to do get by title? Title. Get by title. Now go here, await page dot get by title, get by title. So we need to write the title here. Our application, see, this page has title. Yes, it has the title. See, this is the title. Can you see here? This is the title. Orange HRM is the title of the browser. So go here and type here orange HRM. ORANG orange HRM. Okay. Orange HRM dot is visible. Is visible. So we are doing title visible validation. Okay. Title validation we are doing here. Title validation. Yeah, we will run the script now. Change the file name. Get by text one. Get by title is here. Get by title. I change the file. I am running the script. Some error it is giving. No test found. Okay. Get by title, right? Get by title. Proceed. So save it. Control. No, control is. Mm, there, okay, okay. I created outside of the folder, right? But this. but the path I have given inside of the folder, right? Now it will work. And now it will run. Okay. In the test case first, and we can open the report here. Get by text to dashboard is visible. Get by title orange HRM is visible. Okay. You understood, right? So even go here, inspect this element. What is this? H6 is nothing but heading, right? This is, tag is heading, right? Go here, copy this line, role line. Okay. Copy this role line. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, we'll type here. Okay. Await page dot get by role. I'm using get by role here also. Get by role. What is the role? Heading, right? Heading. Comma. What is the name? Name dashboard. Dashboard. Getting away page get by role heading. This also. Uh, name dashboard. This should be in double quotes. This should be a string format. Dot is visible. Okay. Is visible. Now it's go. So I'm telling that role by using role also I'm doing various first I'm doing with the help of dashboard H6 with the heading, right? Based on the heading, what is the name? The name of the text dashboard, right? Name of the element is dashboard. Okay. We'll run and check. We'll run and check. So just I'm doing validation. And the test got passed. Yes, the test got passed. You can generate the report if you want. See here, get by role. So locate the get by role heading dashboard is visible, right? But get by text, get by title, get by role, anything one validation is fine. One line is fine to validate whether we logged into the application or not. Login is successful or not. We can check any one of the steps. But I'm explaining in multiple ways. So multiple locators. So even one is fine. No need to be all the three lines. In these three, there should be one is fine. Just we are validating the user login is successful or not, but we can do it multiple ways. I hope this is a very session. This session is very helpful, guys. Thank you.